In this video, I will show you step by step how to create URL link for a PDF document. So guys, open your Chrome browser and click on this point here. After that, click drive, this option. From the drive, all you have to do, guys, just wait. All you have to do, click on this new, create a new, and then upload your PDF file. This upload. From here, choose any PDF file you want to create URL link. For example, I have this one. And then just click three line here, this option. After that, click share. This is a share option, guys. This is icon for share. And then click copy link. After that, guys, you can also create a link that was created successfully. If I paste here link, this is a link as you can see here, and you can use bit.ly, guys, to short link this link. If you have this is a long link, you can use a bit.ly to short this link without any problem. This is how you can do, guys. It is easy steps. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give me a like and give me share this video. Please create your link from here. See you on another video soon.